Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is vent. Here are some words related to the base word. Adventure, convent, event, eventual, eventful, fervent, invented, invention, inventor, prevent, reinvent, solvent, venting, vents, venture. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. The vent was blowing cool air into the room. We had an exciting adventure while hiking. She attended a convent and became a nun. We attended a special event last weekend. The eventual winner received a gold medal. It was an eventful day of fun activities. She is a fervent supporter of the national hockey team. The Wright brothers invented the airplane. The invention of the telephone has changed worldwide communication. Thomas Edison is the inventor of the light bulb. Wearing a helmet can prevent head injuries. They will reinvent the marketing strategy for their new brand. He used a solvent to remove the stains. She was venting her frustration through art. The air vents need cleaning to allow airflow. They are working on a new business venture. Now let's review. Vent, adventure, convent, event, eventual, eventful, fervent, invented, invention, inventor, prevent, reinvent, solvent, venting, vents, venture. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.